Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm one of Yvonne's clients, and I just finished a 3-day event with Yvonne, attending an event of hers. And on the third day, she asked me if I would do a testimonial, and I love her work, so always happy to do that. But as it turned out, I was having a little bit of a bad day. I didn't see her original message asking me, and I feel like I let Yvonne down, and even on the night let my mum down because I'm her carer, and I kind of rushed home after work and went straight on to the call. So I had this deep feeling of letting everyone down. And afterwards I realized, oh my gosh, this is part of my journey, because I often feel like I am letting people down. And that is one of the amazing things about being on this journey with Yvonne, is the amount of coincidences and, like, I don't know how else to say it, aha moments, and just really getting to understand myself. So I'm a very slow worker, so I run my own business, and I've always been incredibly slow at doing things, and that was another guilt thing for me. And through this process, I've realized that that's just me and it's okay, and I've let go of a lot of guilt, and I feel so much lighter, and this journey just keeps unfolding. I don't even know how to tell you how it's unfolded, which was one of my issues when I was giving my testimonial live on Yvonne's talk, on Yvonne's session. Was it so hard to quantify for me, this kind of feeling of joy and lightness, and just how everything's evolved for me. So I went through quite a challenging situation that lasted almost a decade, and I feel lighter about that as well. I'm a carer for my mum, I think I said that. I run a business, I've got a part-time job, and I'm incredibly slow, and this always stressed me out. But not anymore. I'm just leaning into the person I am, and realizing my own strengths and my own gifts that I can help others with. So I hope this is helpful for someone who is wondering whether or not to work with Yvonne. She is amazing. I just love, like I said, the journey is still unfolding, and the homework keeps appearing, like the one about letting people down. All right, thanks.